Hey, what's going on, guys? You're watching the Modding Corner and Xenoverse players. Has this ever happened to you? If so, then this is the video for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to downgrade your Xenoverse 2, and after we downgrade it, I'm going to be showing you how to stop it from ever updating again. So if your Xenoverse 2 is still on the old version and it just says update right now, I'd recommend skipping to later in the video so you can see how you can keep your modded Xenoverse while also keeping a copy of regular Xenoverse updated in case you ever want to play online again or anything. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to need to do is open your Steam console, and in order to do that, you're going to have to execute a command. So what you're going to want to do is press Win and R, and then type in steam.//open console. It's already here because I did a test run earlier, but you're going to want to type it exactly like this. Press OK, and it should open the console tab here. So what you're going to want to do after that is copy and paste the code I put in the it'll probably be in the pinned comment, but it changes every time the game updates, so I'll try to keep that pinned comment updated, but in case it's not, you're going to want to go to Steam database. I'll also have a link for that in the description. But yeah, so since right now we're on the free update 18, I believe, we're going to be using this code right here. So let's do, you're going to want to put in this number right here, and it should take a little bit, but hi, editing Eric here. If you see this error show up when you try to do the depot download, what you're going to want to do is go to your Xenoverse 2 on Steam, go to properties, then go to install files, and then verify the integrity of the game files. It's going to take a little bit to happen, but once you do that and close your Steam and reopen it, make sure you close it through Task Manager, it should work. If you see this error, verify your game files, reset your Steam, and then try it again, and it should work. That's it. Yeah, once the depot download says complete like this, you're gonna want to open the depot file. For me, it's in my program files 86, then Steam apps, then content, then app 5 or like 454650, then depot 454651. So you're gonna want to open your Xenoverse 2 directory here, and then copy this old one and paste it to the new one and replace. It might take a little bit, so we're gonna cut to the end of that. Alright, so now that that's done, you're gonna want to boot up good old Xenoverse. But yeah, you should know you're doing everything right because it says version 1.2.1. The Xenoverse Online should not be available. That's how you know you're on the right thing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So pretty simple. If there's any issues, I'll just let me know in the comments and we'll see what we can do. But other than that, yeah. But say if you didn't update your game or you're trying to keep it from updating, well, this is the method for you. So we're gonna do this message first. So in case you don't want your game to update in the future, you're gonna want to go to properties, updates, and only update this game when I launch it. So that'll only update the game when it gets launched from Steam, not from your bin. But if you're modding, you should be doing this anyway, and that's probably how you still have your version. So we're gonna go into the more permanent method. So what you're gonna want to do is open your save editor and your mod installer and have that ready to go. Then you're gonna go to your Xenoverse 2 directory where it says Steam apps, Xenoverse 2, comment, there we go. So you can kind of see that I already did it myself right here, because this is my vanilla Xenoverse 2. This is the version that I just downgraded, but this is my modded Xenoverse 2. So you're just gonna want to change like the name of like your vanilla Xenoverse 2, or the version you have modded to Xenoverse 2 modded or Xenoverse 2 revamped, just not to confuse it, because it'll be counted as a separate game in your Steam apps list if you do that. So once you do that, you're gonna want to take your save editor and make a backup of your save. That way, like, because right now this is my save on 1.2 or whatever. You're gonna want to back up your save and where you keep like your save files and stuff at. Let me see if I can find it here. Just have like a old version backup in case something happens, and then a new version backup, or a version of like your save before you update, in case you want to just have two versions of Xenoverse 2, where it's just, you know, you play the newest version of the game and you play the modded version of the game on the old version. And whenever you choose to play the old version or the modded version, you're gonna have to switch between your new and old saves, or else one of them has to get deleted. But even if that happens, you can always use the save editor to get your progress back in about 10 minutes. So, but just in case, they'll always keep a backup of your older save intact. So yeah, after you change the name of your directory, you're gonna wanna open the mod installer, and when you open it for the first time, it should tell you like where the directory is, and you're gonna want to just find your directory. And once it's like known that like, oh, okay, the modded version is where the directory is now, everything should work the exact same. You shouldn't have to reinstall any mods or anything. It should just, you know, smoothly transition. Same for the save editor as well when you open that for the first time after changing the name. But other than that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much gonna be it for today's video. A little bit of on the shorter side, but that's just because this doesn't really take that long to do. Like I said, if anything, you know, goes wrong, feel free to message me in the comments or on Discord, and I'll try to help in any way I can. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for all the support on the last couple videos this week. I really appreciate it. And yeah, bye. By the way, you better not bother my boy Eternity with the patch, or else I swear to God, I am going to... La 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 la.